Question 9. A 5 meter 60 centimeter high vertical pole casts a shadow 3 meter and 20 centimeter long. So vertical pole is there whose height is 5 meter and 60 centimeter, and it forms a shadow of 3 meter and 20 centimeter long. Find at the same time first the length of the shadow cast by another pole 10 meter and 50 centimeter high. So length of a shadow we have to find whose height is 10 meter and 50 centimeter. And second question is the height of a pole which casts a shadow of 5 meter long. Here original height of the pole we have to find whose shadow's height is 5 meter. Let's find out the first. So here two things will be there, that is height of a vertical pole and the length of the shadow. Height of the vertical pole we will consider it as x, and length of the shadow we will consider it as y. So when the height is 5 meter and 60 centimeter, the length of the shadow will be 3 meter and 20 centimeter. So this we will consider it as x1 and this as y1. Here you have to see that here it is in meter and centimeter. We have to convert this into centimeter. Here height of the vertical pole is 10 meter and 50 centimeter. This will be our x2, and y2 is the length of the shadow created that we have to find out. So first convert the meter and centimeter into centimeter. So x1 is 5 meter and 60 centimeter. That will be converted into centimeter as 500. This will be converted as 500 centimeter plus 60 will be 560 centimeter. And y1 will be equal to 3 meter and 20 centimeter. That will be equal to 300 plus 20, that is equal to 320 centimeter. And x2 will be equal to 10 meter and 50 centimeter. That will be equal to 10 multiplied by 100 will be 1000 plus 50, that will be equal to 1050 centimeter. So now all the quantities are converted into centimeter. Now we will as you can see that as the height of the vertical pole is increasing, the length of the shadow, as the height of the vertical pole is increasing, the length of the shadow will also increase. So it is clearly directly proportional to each other. So we will use the directly proportional formula, that will be x1 by y1 will be equal to x2 by y2. Therefore what is x1 here? 560, y1 is 320, that is equal to x2 is 1050 and y2 we have to find out. Therefore y2 will be equal to cross multiply 1050 multiply by 320 divided by 560. This 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. Here it will be multiplied with divided with 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 2 eights are 16, 2 ones are 2 and 1 2 16. Then here again it will be divided by 4, 4 fours are 16, 4 sevens are 28, and this will get cancelled with 7, that is 7 ones are 7, 3 will remain, 3 5 35, 7 5 is 35, 150. So 150 multiplied by 4 is 600 centimeter. When you convert it into meter, that would be equal to 6 meter. So y2 is equal to 6 meter. That is length of the shadow will be 6 meter when the actual height of the vertical pole is 10 meter and 50 centimeter. Second question, the height of a pole which casts a shadow of 5 meter long. So here we can directly convert 5 meter into 500. Again this we have to find height of the vertical pole here will be x and length of the shadow will be y. When the height of the vertical pole is 560 centimeter, that is x1, here length of the shadow will be 320, that is y1. And we have been asked is what will be the height of the vertical pole if the length of the shadow is 500 centimeter. Here as the length of the shadow is increasing, so basically the height of the vertical pole will also increase. So it is directly proportional. We will use the directly proportional rule here, that is x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2, and we have to find the value of x2. What is x1 here? 560. x1 is 560, y1 is 320, that is equal to x2 by y2, that is 500. x2 we have to find out. Therefore x2 will be equal to, if we cross multiply it, that is 500 here this will go here, 500 multiplied by 560 divided by 320. So let's cancel it. That is, here 0 0 will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, and 1 6, 2 8s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 4 7s are 28. So 500 divided by 4, it will get divided by 4, that is 4 1s are 4, 10, then 4 2s are 8, then 2 0 20, 4 5s are 20, and 125 multiplied by 7 is 875. This is in centimeter, and if we convert it into meter, that will be equal to 8.75 meter. So the original height of the vertical pole will be 8 meter and 75 centimeter when the length of the shadow is 500 centimeter or 5 meter.